How to share an album on iPhone. That's what I'm going to show you guys in this pretty quick and easy video. So let's get started right away. Well, all you basically want to do is, first of all, is make sure that you can actually have that feature enabled. So you want to go to the settings and then on your profile at the top. Then here you want to go to iCloud and then go to Photos. Once you scroll all the way down in that settings, then it says shared albums and you want to make sure that this is enabled right there, because then you are able to actually make shared albums. Now then, once you've done that, you simply want to click on the plus icon at the top left corner in your Photos app. Now, if you click on there, you can actually see new album, new folder, or a new shared album. So if you click on there, then you have to give it a name. So let's say I would call it Cars, because this album is, for example, about cars. Then click Next. And here you want to share it with someone, of course. So you can actually share this with multiple people, but I'm just going to share it real quick with this email address and then click on Create. Now here you can see all your shared albums. You can edit them, you can remove them. You can also click on them. And then here you can see a plus icon. Now if I click on there, I can now select photos and videos to add in there. So you can simply click on Add. And I can now post them to this shared album. Now that other person can obviously see that as well. Now at the top, you also have this sort of like profile icon over there. And if you click on there, you can actually see everything in this board, or album. So you can see that this email address is still invited. And if I click on here, you can also remove the subscriber. And you can also invite more people. Subscribers can post. You can, for example, disable that as well. Make it a public website, which is actually pretty cool. And have notifications turned on. So when other people add something to this shared album, then you will also get a notification. Now, let's say you scrolled all the way in your regular like Photos app where you can see all your photos. And you want to add a random photo you've just found in that folder. Then what you also can do is simply, for example, select a couple of photos. Click on the share button at the bottom left corner, swipe down, and then here it says add to shared album. So if you click on there, you can now select here at the bottom the shared albums. Now I only have one, so it is automatically selected, and then simply click on post. And now I have posted it to that album. So if I were to go back, then you can now see that these photos are now also added to the shared album. So I hope this video helped you out. Let me know in the comments if this worked, and then I will see you next time.